Alright, today's video is not a tech video per se, but it is a new desk setup and a revamp or makeover of my studio area. Come along with me and I'll show you guys what I'm going to do. Hey everybody, welcome back to Zach Talks Tech, where it's about the community, engagement, and conversation we're having here about the tech that you love. So, if you've been around my channel for any time, you know that I used to traditionally do a lot of basically camera facing down videos where you would just see my hands. It's only in the last few months here that I've kind of broken out of my shell and I'm showing obviously more of my face and getting engaged with you guys, talking with you, engaging with the community, and being a little more interactive, a little more personable like that. You guys have also seen videos in the last few months where I've had a red couch, where I've been sitting on a red couch. You probably see some videos where there was a table, looked like it was kind of a sunny room and things like that. So these are all different rooms within my home, and that's great because I have a lot of space, but unfortunately it's not great for the other people that live with me, my wife and my two kids. So I need to kind of centralize and get things kind of under control and in one space. And for myself as a creator, as a YouTuber, as a tech reviewer, I like to have all my stuff in one space so I can kind of go to that space and do my review, do my video, and get things out there. When I have things out in different spaces and it's in different rooms and everything, I get disorganized, I get off topic, and sometimes things don't get done. So I need to centralize things so that I can continue to bring out great videos for you guys, and hopefully up my game and obviously keep things organized. So right now we are in my studio. Well, it's a spare bedroom. It's our guest bedroom, but we really only have guests kind of stay over during Christmas and whatnot, so it's basically become my studio area. And I'm not proud of it, but it is a freaking mess. It is really, really bad. So I want to show you guys kind of what I'm working with right now. I'm just going to turn on the lights here and give you guys kind of just a quick look here. I'm not proud of this at all, so come on up here. You can see there is the queen size bed there in the middle of the room, and it's got stuff all over it. I've got phones everywhere. I've got product down here. I've got product all over here. I've got a shelf over here, and then of course we come back around and this is my normal desk area here where I do a lot of my unboxings. You guys are used to seeing this. So the idea here is to basically, today I want to get this queen size bed out of here, and I want to set up a new standing desk. I picked up a standing desk from a company called AnthroDesk. I actually reached out to 4 different companies that do standing desks, and AnthroDesk was the only company to come back to me and say, hey, sounds like you have a great idea there. Here's a discount. So I did buy the AnthroDesk that you guys will see here coming up. They did give me a little bit of a discount for that. Let's start getting this room cleaned up and get that new desk in here, and then we've got the red couch we're gonna bring in here, some lighting, and we're just gonna transform this space today. We're making progress here. Take a look with me. I did some vacuuming here, cleaned it all up. We've moved some things around, moved that one end table there. I found an old Star Wars poster here. Check it out, right there. And so that will definitely be going up on the wall, but now we have this space right here. You guys can see down here, again, that AnthroDesk is 60 inches by 30 inches, so it's quite long, although it is quite narrow on the depth there. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab that and we'll start putting it together. So you guys can see here, this is the AnthroDesk right here. This is the top right here. It's still packaged up here. And these are the legs right here. So I'm gonna have to unpackage this. These are the legs. And then the top is here. Again, it's 30 inches by 60 inches. It is a fair size. So let's go ahead and get this downstairs unpackaged and start setting it up. We got the legs down here. They're inside this box right here. I got to go through these instructions here. Despite what it looks like, it's actually very simple to put together here. AnthroDesk does make it quite simple here, so hopefully in the next clip here you guys see is the completed legs. And then this is the 60 by 30 inch walnut top. This side will be, this side right here that you guys are seeing will actually be facing down. The legs will be attached to this. But look how gorgeous this is. I can't wait to get this on top of those legs there. The one thing I'll definitely say about the AnthroDesk here is these are very, very heavy parts. Very solid. This is the dual motor desk setup I have. So each one of these legs has its own motor. You can see right here, and then down here is a separate motor as well. But these are a really good weight, very solid feeling, nice matte finish. Looking forward to getting this together. Okay, you guys can see here that we have the legs flipped over now, and basically attach these brackets. After attaching the legs down here, these will sit against the desk over here, and then basically we have to screw through here to attach. You guys can see here we've got the standing desk set up. I'll give you guys a tour of this in a little bit here. For now, I'm stacking things up on it right now in preparation of cleaning up this side right here. We are going to put the couch over on this side. This dresser and this stand is going to go over here. And I'm actually going to be replacing the desk right here because it is a little short for my needs right now. So let's get to it. Guys, I think we're about halfway there. As you can see, I've got the AnthroDesk set up here. I still need to finish setting up this side of the room. I need to spend a few days getting all this organized. A lot of accessories and things like that will be going inside that dresser. There is the main star right here. This is the AnthroDesk. It is a dual motor desk, so it has motors on both sides. Let me give you guys just a quick tour here. I'm going to take you right underneath here. So each one of these legs has its own motor, which just makes it a lot stronger, and it does raise up and down a lot faster. You can see here I need to work on the cable management. AnthroDesk did send me some of these clips right here, so I do need to apply them. You can see one of them fell off there, but I'll finish applying that right there. But look at this gorgeous 30-inch by 60-inch walnut veneer top. It is gorgeous. So the next time you guys see an unboxing from me, I'll probably be using one of these tripods right here, along with my A6500 here. We'll be shooting down like this, and I've got, you know, an umbrella light here, this one over here to this spot right here. Take a look at the AnthroDesk here. Here's the control unit right here. You basically just gotta wake it up by pressing any button, and then you can manually adjust by holding down the button, or you can use one of your presets. So I'm gonna go to the highest setting. Now I want you guys to hear how loud it is. I wouldn't say it's very loud, but it is noticeable. So that's the highest right there, about 46.8 inches. You can change the units on here, and we're gonna go to the lowest setting here, which is 27 inches. So right there, if you had basically a chair. So I do have a preset here at 39 inches. That's basically where it was before. And basically it goes up to the height. After a couple seconds, it will beep to tell you it's locked into that position. And yeah, I'm really impressed with the quality. Of course, you could use any tabletop you want, but this is the walnut veneer from Anthro. Again, guys, I did purchase this with my own money, both the top and the legs, obviously the main part of the desk here. But AnthroDesk did give me a bit of a discount there, so I did save some money, but I still paid for the majority of this. So anyway, guys, that's it for now. There'll probably be a second or third video coming out here to show you guys the complete setup here. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this at all. If you have any suggestions about the setup or questions about the desk, anything like that at all, please leave your your comments, your questions in the section down below there. I'll definitely interact with you guys. You guys know I'm very quick on my responses and interacting with you guys. So anyway, if you guys like the content here, leave a thumbs up. Think about hitting the subscribe button as well, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Cheers.